dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The presidential aide by Onanuga said that Peter Obi was the first ever presidential candidate to play ethnic and religious card in Nigeria. Moving on, we have account for 5.9 trillion and 4.6 billion loans. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project has given the Kaduna State Governor Ubasani and the Minister of Federal Capital Territory Nyesom Wike the ultimatum to provide the loan agreement. All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell so that anytime we drop our news, now you could be the first to watch. All right, my people, you know, say for this country, as they break, now so tori dey nyafoka. Well, mokuna no verse. I got they bring good that the tori one after the other. I say they come our way. Now the matter what don't carry call given a say the presidency has chided Peter Obi, the former Labour Party presidential candidate, for allegedly inflaming religious and ethnic issues to push his political ambition. This was stated by the presidential aide Bayo Onanuga when he was hosted by Shehu Akimbaloye on a live broadcast. He said that what he knew about the campaign of Peter Obi was that for the first time in a very long time in our country, that they had a candidate who was inflaming ethnic passion, and that was the way the election went at that time. Bayo Onanuga said that Peter Obi was inflaming ethnic passion, religious passion. He told Peter Obi that those two things are dangerous things to our politics, ethnicity, and religion. That is what he did as of then when he was campaigning, and those things were dangerous to our Nigerian politics. Onanuga added that his principal did not choose his running mate because he was a fellow Muslim. If Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu had done that he would not have lost Lagos. Muslim ticket was not religious. That Muslim ticket did not even win massive votes. Onanuga said in Borno, where Bola Ahmed Tinubu deputy came from, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu went on to pick his vice president because he believed that Shettima had the qualities to support him or to be his vice president, because he believed that Shettima had the quality to support him or to be his vice president. That is why he picked him. He was not looking at religion, that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was looking at qualities, and Shettima has those qualities. That was the reason why he picked him. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. Elections are over. They should do the work they claim that they are elected to do and leave who is not fighting them. Honestly, there is absolutely no peace for the wicked. That is why 1 year after winning election, the one that came third is still giving them migraine. Bayo Onanuga was supporting the beating of Igbos in the Southwest when the Yoruba thugs beat up the Igbos and people that look like Igbos. So right now, elections are over. They should do the work they claim that they are elected to do and leave who is not fighting them. So guys, I would like to know what to think about this matter in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project has given the Kaduna State Governor Ubasani, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory Nyesom Wike, and other 35 state governors 1 week ultimatum to provide the loan agreement and spending details of the loans obtained by the state and the Federal Capital Territory. My video is more matter. In no end there. The request also include the details and location of projects executed with the loans, which amount to 5.9 trillion and $4.6 billion. My people, they say Nigeria no get money. Where did they see all this money? Where did they squander like this? Hey, my people, don't be smart, you know. And Nigeria, they suffer. These people don't even care. Hey. This was disclosed in a statement signed by the organization Deputy Director Kolawole Oluwadare, a copy of which was made available on the internet. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability asked the State Governor and the Federal Capital Territory Minister to widely publish copies of the request, because that will help the Nigerians to know how their state government spent their loans, and also ensure that persons with public responsibility are answerable to the people for the performance of their duties in the management of public funds. So the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project also urged them to promptly invite the Independent Corrupt Practice and Other Related Offences Commission and the Economic and Financial Crime Commission to investigate the spending of the domestic and internal loans obtained by the state and the Federal Capital Territory. My people, don't be small matter. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project is seriously concerned that many of the country 36 states and federal capital territory are allegedly mismanaging public funds, which may include domestic and external loans obtained from the bilateral and multilateral institutions and agencies. So, according to the Nigeria Debt Management Office, the total public domestic debt portfolio for the country 36 states and the federal capital territory is 5.9 trillion. And the total public external debt portfolio is $4.6 billion. My people know be small matter. Many states and federal capital territory are owing civil servant salaries and pensions. Several states are borrowing to pay salaries. Millions of Nigerian residents in their states and the federal capital territory continue to deny access to basic public goods and services such as quality education and healthcare. Several states are also spending public funds, which may include the domestic and external loans, to fund unnecessary travels, buying of exotic and bulletproof cars, and generally funding the lavish lifestyle of politicians. The organization shared that it was their concern that the domestic and external loan obtained by the state and the federal capital territory are vulnerable to corruption and mismanagement. So the government has responsibility to ensure transparency and accountability in how any loan obtained by the state are spent to reduce vulnerability to corruption and mismanagement. The effective operation of representative democracy depends on the people being able to scrutinize, discuss, and contribute to government decision making, including on the spending of loans obtained by the state and the federal capital territory. Also, to do that, they need information to enable them to participate more effectively in the management of public funds by their state government and the federal capital territory. So the organization has further stated that there is a significant risk of mismanaging or diversion of funds linked to loan obtained by the state government, including the states, that the accounts of Nigeria 36 states and the federal capital territory are generally not open to public scrutiny. So every state has obligation under international anti-corruption and human rights law, including a responsibility to promote transparency and accountability in the management of public funds, prevent mismanagement or diversion of public funds, and readdress any abuse of public trust. The opacity in spending of loans obtained by states has continued to have negative impact on the fundamental interests of the citizens and the public interest, because states cannot hide under the excuse that the Freedom of Information Act is not applicable to the states to refuse to provide the details being sought. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions. If you know that in the comment section, we would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of the segment. Till I come your awareness, stay safe guys. Bye.